In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Brussels sprout soup recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of Brussels sprouts, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sour cream, 6 tablespoons of butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Add 3 tablespoons of butter to a pot over heat and melt. Add in the Brussels sprouts and cook thoroughly. Season with half the salt, pepper, and chicken bouillon. Add in 4 cups of water. Cover soup with lid and let simmer. In a bowl, add in the scrambled egg, remaining butter, remaining salt, and the flour, saving 3 tablespoons of flour for later. Mix until a dough forms. Dip a spoon into the soup and scoop some of the dough that we made into the soup to create noodles. Cook the noodles thoroughly. Mix together the sour cream, and the remaining flour until smooth. Scoop some of the soup into this mixture and mix until combined. Once mixed, we're going to pour it back into our soup. Bring to a boil. Our creamy Brussels sprout soup is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.